Weather now from the Emmy-winning Cakeland Weatherflex.
Well, we're kind of playing watch and wait for the development of severe weather across parts of south central to southwestern Kansas. Let's look outside the sky tracker. We've had quite a little bit of cloud cover, but some occasional sunshine, which has really helped warm us up. But as we look across western Kansas, we're going out to Garden City. Just some high, thin clouds, plenty of sunshine, really allowing temperatures to warm greatly. Now, as we look at the visible satellite picture, you will notice that, we started out overcast this morning, but look at all the sunshine across southwestern and now parts of south central Kansas. There's just some high, thin clouds starting to drift in now, and that's really warming up the atmosphere. Cake's Viper 3D, there are no thunderstorms occurring yet, but look at all the heat. 86 Medicine Lodge, 85 Dodge, 80 in Garden City. Now the dew point, remember this is the moisture in the air. Notice how we got a dry line between Great Bend and Dodge, Medicine Lodge to Pratt, right in here. And it's that dry line. We're going to keep an eye in that area to see if we can see some severe thunderstorms erupt. Breezy winds today, and it's going to be gustier overnight tonight. 17 miles an hour, Wichita, 16 in Dodge. Winds gusting currently to 23 in Wichita and Medicine Lodge, 25 in Liberal. Wind gust tomorrow will be in excess of 35 miles an hour, so a very windy day. What we're watching and waiting is the atmosphere. If it develops thunderstorms, it can become severe very quickly. We're talking about a tornado threat. But we have an area in the atmosphere, a lid or a cap, if you will, that we've got to break through. Right now it's holding very strong. Hopefully it will hold strong. That will eliminate the severe thunderstorm threat, but we're kind of watching and waiting to see if that cap is going to erode. We'll have a complete forecast coming up later.
West Kansas, southwest Nebraska, and northwest Oklahoma. All of those watches are in effect until 2 o'clock this morning. So it's going to be a long night, and we'll continue to keep you updated as needed. For those of you directly affected by that storm, we're going to continue our coverage on Great Bend and Garden City stations and KSN.com live streaming. And for those of you who are staying with us here this evening, we will continue our coverage here as we go back to our KSN neighborhood stormcaster and the storm that is very near to Greensburg. Again, if you are not in your shelter, Greensburg, you need to be there right now. Potential circulation.
A tornado warning remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for central Kiowa County. A tornado emergency for Greensburg at 9:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time. National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado. This tornado was located 5 miles south of Greensburg.
We're getting storms from Dodge City up to Great Bend. These storms are hail producers, a quarter-sized to perhaps golf ball-sized hail possible with all of those storms. And we're not seeing any sort of circulation, no sort of tornado threat with these. But this guy down here near Greensburg, that's a whole different story. And that's why we are emphasizing this storm here for the next few minutes, because it is so close to bringing a major tornado into a town. Now, let's go ahead and switch back to our other version of our KSN Neighborhood Stormcaster. Again, green is toward the radar, winds blowing toward the radar on our Doppler display, the pink's away from the radar, so this represents the center of circulation. It is now, as you can see, moving so that it would be just east of Greensburg, if in fact that's where it is on the ground. There is some tilt involved with thunderstorms, so we will always allow a little extra elbow room there, but that's 1, 2, 3 miles to the south of Greensburg. Let's go to KSN meteorologist Andrew Kozak.
Okay, it looks like now a tornado emergency has been issued for Greensburg now. They are tracking that large, extremely dangerous tornado located about 5 miles just to the south of Greensburg. Dave, you were tracking that and showing us just now on there. That is moving north at about 20 miles per hour, so you really need to get in the center of your house or your storm shelter immediately. Again, this is an emergency situation for Greensburg.
I'm Ari Srinivasan with the first look for this evening. I'm flying over Greensburg, Kansas right now. By now you've heard the story of the killer tornado. It took 8 lives here. It was as big as the entire town. A category F5, the strongest type of tornadoes that there are. It came through Friday night, and today is the first day that residents are getting a first look of their own at the devastation in their town and to their homes. That's coming up on the Evening News with Katie Curran.